Often people ask, why should you overclock? There's actually a bunch of different reasons. One could be that you want to get more performance out of older hardware. Let's say you play AAA games. Those are super demanding of your system hardware. But you may have a 2-year-old CPU that is no longer able to completely fulfill the requirements of AAA games in, say, 4K. So you can increase the clock speed on your CPU. That allows it to do more calculations in the game, and thus you can still run those games. One of the interesting things that's happened over the past few years for CPUs is that a lot of them, or almost all of them, overclock themselves based on temperature algorithms. That means the lower temperature you can keep on your CPU, the better performance you will get. There's a few different ways that algorithm works. First of all, the boost frequency, that's what the automatic overclock is called. The more consistent that you can keep the temperatures, the better the overclock you'll get. So the automatic overclock will get better the more stable you can keep the CPU temperature. That's actually where one of the benefits of liquid cooling is. Because of the higher heat capacity of liquid than air, you are actually able to keep the temperature on the CPU way more consistent because you can have a lot more heat in the liquid, whereas with an air cooler, you'll just have a few heat pipes and basically fins that conduct the heat. But those will saturate very quickly, especially under sustained loads, whereas the liquid will be able to keep more heat in the system and also dissipate it quicker. And that allows you to get more stable temperatures in your system and thus better performance in games or applications that you're running for an extended period of time.